Best face mask for glowing skin and clear skin naturally. Get radiant skin and natural glow skin care at home. Who doesn't want to know how to make your face glow or how to get glowing skin? There are many products to make skin glow are available in the market, but are they really the best ways to make your skin glow? So, today this video will tell you some tips on skincare for glowing skin secrets. Respecting your time as always, we keep this video short and effective. So please do watch till the end. As you all know, I always prefer natural home remedies. It's not only cheap, but this type of face pack for glowing skin really helps me a lot to make my skin glow. Those chemical-based best face creams for glowing skin can give you clear, bright skin from outside, but most of them neither gives you healthy skin nor natural glowing skin. If you want a permanent shiny skin with an inner face glow, then this clear skin tips are only for you. Every woman desires picture-perfect glossy skin. Whether you are a student, homemaker, or a working professional, it is very important to have healthy glowing skin. Our skin is fragile. Stressful lifestyles, hectic work schedules, inadequate sleep, lack of nutritional diet, pollution, harmful sun rays, excessive smoking, and drinking alcohol are the major factors which make your skin dull and dry. So, this glowing skin product's going to be the answer for your years-old question how to make your skin glow. It may be a search for glowing skin for men or women. This home facial for glowing skin mask will surely slow down the loss of glow and radiance from your skin. So sit back, relax and enjoy these best natural products for glowing skin. Now no need to spend time to search best products for glowing skin or some expensive skin glow cream for healthy and glowing skin. Rather, this skin care routine will give you clear glowing skin permanently and radiant glowing skin irrespective of any complexion naturally. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.